Whose turn?
Questions,
Pick up.
choices,
Teddy. Will you give me the teddy?
and decisions.
Thank you.
There are plenty of challenges for a parent who discovers their child is deaf.
Water.
Learning Irish Sign Language is one of them.
Thank you.
When you learn sign language as an adult, you're learning conversational sign language. Hello, my name is, I live in Ireland.
We had no reference to go to or no person who you could go, what's the sign for?
Good night,
Milk,
nappy,
drink,
thirsty,
sleep,
nap time.
dodie, you know, things that were relevant.
Most of us would hope, perhaps assume,
Cow.
that there was an app for that. But until now, there hasn't been.
Perfect.
This mobile website has been developed specifically to support parents and families to learn Irish Sign Language.
Not all parents choose Irish Sign Language, but those who do felt there was very little support around helping them to learn it. So a few of us sat down and we said, right, let's bring ISL learning for parents into the 21st century.
These graduate job seekers were charged with developing and delivering that idea. They too are delighted with the new site.
An eye-opening experience really we've learned how to bring a project from the beginnings right through to a finished product.
The site is live now with an app to follow. Philip Bromwell, RTE News, Dublin.